This is Brilliant Mind Institution's Christmas celebration, and this is a Christmas tree. This is Santa Claus and Snowman and more other Christmas trees. And here is a star. And here are Christmas trees that our playgroup and nursery children made. And here again Snowman and Santa Claus. This is the sleigh where Santa is coming to our class to give gifts to our children. This is our cabin. And now this is our crib where Jesus Christ was born in a stable. And this is the decoration of Merry Christmas. There is a decoration and there is a Christmas tree which has ornaments and festivities on it. And this is a crib which has Jesus, Mother Mary and Joseph. And this is our class party's photo booth.